Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. I am here at the Venetian Condominiums, and this is an after video for a hull cleaning of Freedom. Now, before I show you under the boat, I do want to let you know this was wrapped around your port prop. So I was able to get all that out, and it doesn't look like really any damage was done as of yet, but this had a metal piece on it, so I'm gonna go down there and double check just in case. Everything looks pretty good. I shook the prop, it's not moving or wobbly, so that's good. And I did notice on your starboard shaft that you need a new shaft sink. So thank you for choosing DS Dive.